This guide will help you remove a device from your Western Union account. Follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Western Union website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually located in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Find Device Management. Look for an option labeled Device Management or Security Settings. This section will show you all the devices linked to your account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Identify the device you wish to remove from the list. Click on it to view more details and options. Step 5. Confirm removal. Choose the option to remove or disconnect the device. You may be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow the instructions to finalize the removal. After completing these steps, the device will be removed from your Western Union account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.